Welcome to the Ada Web application tutorial. In this second tutorial, I will explain how to design the UML model for the Review web application. First, let's create the UML directory that will contain our UML model. We can start Argo UML to make our design. I assume that the Argo UML has been set up and that the Dynamo and AWA profiles have been installed. If this is not the case, look first for the video setting up Argo UML to use Dynamo UML profile. The first step is to give a name to our project. The project name is Atlas. We must also create the package hierarchy. There are 3 package levels. The root package should have the project name, Atlas. Then we create a child package for the reviews module and another child package for the models. On the models package, we must set the data model stereotype that is provided by the Dynamo profile. We can create a class diagram and put a first class in it. The class is called review and we set the table stereotype on it. The stereotype controls the code generator so that it's necessary. We add the ID attribute and give it the PK private key stereotype. The version attribute is an integer and it has a version stereotype. We had a title, which is a string, a site, which is also a string, the creation date, we'll use a date time, the review text, which is a string, and we will put a specific attribute to control the length, and allow a comments attribute, we associate the review with the reviewer, and for this we get the user definition from the AWA profile. Go in the AWA profiles, find the AWA users models package, look for the user class, drag and drop the AWA user table near our review table. We make an association between the two classes. We give a name to the association and we define the association cardinality. We can also add some UML nodes and associate them with our class. For the Ada bin, we create a review bin class and give it the bin stereotype. The review bin inherits from the review class so that we get access to the review attributes. On the review bin, we add 2 operations, save and delete. The Dynamo code generator will generate some glue code for the expression language that is used by the presentation layer. Once the model is saved, we update the makefile.in to update the arguments for the generator. The makefile is regenerated by using the config.status script. The header code is generated by running the make generate command. This also generates the MySQL schema. We build the application by running make. We will create now the database for the generated MySQL schema by using the dynamo create database command. We just have to give the database connection string and the database admin account. The tool creates the database, sets up the user, and builds the database tables. We can start our review web application and see if it is running. We have seen how to build the UML model, generate the header code, as well as the MySQL schema. We created and set up our database, and our server is running. Thank you for watching. Please read the associated tutorial, and if you have questions, post your comments on my website blog.vax.fr. Thank you.